What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to install a slip-on exhaust on the 2020 Can-Am XMR 850. So right now, as you see, super big and bulky. This definitely makes it a lot quieter than what this slip-on is going to make it. So should be interesting. I'll let you hear before right now. Crank this bad boy. So pretty beefy. I didn't really want to rev it because it is cold and I don't want to get it hot because obviously I'm about to start touching the exhaust. But gonna try to show you how to put this on and we'll go from there. All right, so the first thing you want to do, open your rear hatch. In here you can see, probably get a better angle on this side. That's the first 13 you want to take off. So ratchet on one side, pliers on the other, or if you have double ratchets. Then you're unhooking right here as well. It's double-sided, so for a zoomed out perspective, it's right at the bottom of your muffler. Then we're gonna break it loose right here at the fitting for the new fitting on this exhaust. I'll try to set the camera up and let you see everything, but I don't have anyone holding it or anything. All right, guys, so hopefully you can see this is 13 millimeter, I believe. Yep. So go ahead and break that loose. And while you're breaking this loose, try to make sure that your backside is staying still. If it is, you don't need pliers. If it isn't, obviously you need to put some pliers on there. I just got to figure out which way is lefty and loosey. All right, so my backside is turning. It did break loose, but my backside is turning. So I'm gonna go from the back. Alright guys, so we finally got the top one out. I had to run to the parts store and get another ratchet with a longer extension because I don't have a lot of tools here in my apartment. Anyways, so we got the top one out. Now we need to get this one out, that one out, and I think we'll be good to put this in. Alright, so this one down here had 2 washers. Just make sure you don't lose that when you undo it. Now we're gonna undo right here. Yeah. Alright guys, so we got the stock exhaust out. So you see how fat this is, and then here's the new muffler. Super skinny and kind of hollow. And I'm sure you can't see through this one at all. So this should definitely open up some airflow, give us some more power, make it louder. I didn't think I was going to be able to get it off because I didn't have a deep socket for this, but actually it slid right off. So luckily this one comes with another clamp, and we'll just attach it right back up to the exhaust and should be good to go. So essentially 2 nuts. For whatever reason, the stock exhaust clamp was loose. So be sure to tighten up the new exhaust clamp. So all you need is a 13 socket ratchet, 2 of those, and then whatever size socket you need for your new downpipe. Not gonna lie, this is a little more challenging than I expected. Trying to make this video a lot better than a lot of the YouTube videos I've seen, because they never show you, you know, the oh shit, this is actually kind of difficult or whatever. But here's what we got so far. So the downpipe's in, I haven't tightened it yet, and then what we're running into is this muffler comes with this bracket to go into the original bolt hole, and then you're supposed to be able to line it up here. But I'm about a thumb's width, so about 1 inch. It's on the first one, but it's not on the bottom one. So I'm about 1 inch of room lost, and just trying to figure that out right now. But make sure it goes back together right, and I'll keep you posted on what I do next. So we finally got it on. This is actually a Looney Tune exhaust. Looks pretty cool. I just got a white fingerprints on, but it doesn't really matter. Anyways, it goes on the front side, unlike the stock exhaust goes on the back side of this mount. It does come with an adapter for this mount because it runs up and down instead of side to side. So all I have to do is go purchase this nut, but a little bit longer, probably 3 inches, so I can go from side to side and hold it in place. Even without that, I can shake it and move the whole four-wheeler, no problem. But we're just gonna add that last nut on there, or screw, whatever you want to call it, just to make sure everything is the way it should be. Don't have any problems while we're in the middle of the woods. But yeah, so we're gonna run to the parts store, grab that. First, I know all you want to hear it. Sounds great. So just got back from the parts store, and let me show you what I did. So this right here is the factory adapter. Let me get my phone flashlight right quick. Alright, so this right here is the factory adapter that plugs in, because the factory exhaust plugs in straight up and down right here. So you put your adapter that comes on with your exhaust, comes from Voodoo. Take your factory outside washers, so this one and this one over here, and your factory spacer. I'll show you where that comes from. And you got to go to the parts store and get a 2-inch long screw that fits in there. That factory spacer was in this bushing right here, and I just popped it out. So got it in. Sounds great. About to load it up and get ready to go riding tomorrow. So this will be a 2-day video, and we're actually going to try to send it and not necessarily mess anything up, but we want to give you all some good content tomorrow. So yeah, so we're out here sending it through
some deep holes today. I just wanted to make sure we got some live action for y'all, but stay tuned. Right now we're trying to get someone unstuck and we'll keep the video going. Teamwork makes the dream work. See, the old Can-Am didn't have no problems coming through there. Everybody else seems to be getting stuck. Nah, we're just riding the south side of the power poles right now. It's pretty deep out here. The last time we came out, right over here is where I pretty much floated a four-wheeler. So I think we're gonna turn left right now. A bunch of people don't want to go through it. predicament because we're only on a four-wheeler and these side-by-sides are struggling.